divided, and they joined all their hands, and they took back the land, and they taught all the children to see that everyone born should be free.
Planning for your retirement? Invest through the Chase app and pick from a range of investment styles to help create a future that works for you. See what your money can do. Chase.
As Bethany opened her Amazon parcel, her heart began to race. Waterproof LCD display and heart rate monitoring. This fitness tracker won first place with Bethany for quality and price. 5 stars from Bethany. Amazon. Find highly rated products at prices you'll love.
Looks like another Irish winner at Cheltenham, boys.
Well, you can gloat now, but there's always another exceptional British horse.
You're not wrong. Here he is now, bringing up the rear.
Ireland and Britain renew their rivalry at this year's Cheltenham Festival. And whichever side you're backing, Paddy Power are giving you a completely free bet.
Who got castle? Who got pals? Who got tassels on their crowns? We live in the millionth of a second, projecting the beckoning of a weapon. Have the will, but to reckon with. When you sign the dot, you signed a lot away, but the soul don't rot. Because you're gonna own the tone of the ozone. Are you a clone or not? Pheromones, skin trigger serotonin, singing heroin with the ethereal theremin. Soundtrack and never found path through the doors in your mind map, mirroring master whole design map. Resonation of a sign map. Tick, climax of the magic Maya facts written before Britain was written with the premonition that we are equal citizens of a free world risen from prisons. The lower the fence, the deeper the conditioning. Tell me your position in a moral philosophy, and I'll tell you if artificial intelligence crosses the substrate. Microchips epistemology, downloadism from skills and technology. Here come business with the clause. Upgrade your account and the mountain is yours. I come here with the law on the plate, trying to claim what we call Mother Nature. Hindsight exists in the infinite mind, so we'll climb the pyramid of time. How do I monetize my time? How do I sift through this existence paradigm? I want to feed the world, but I've got to go to work. A peace of mind, for peace of mind. And oh, the pyramid of time. And oh, the pyramid of time. Yeah! Remember to see your dependency before the flourishing of your nourishment. Come forward, sing your chord of love with your court of wings, yeah, with whatever loving thought it brings. Alpha Delta, homeless shelter. What is wealth if you're not a helper of everyone else who has less than you? You do have the means to help and live true to the government. You don't own me, mama breath made from her yoni. Your earth is so lonely with your bills and pills and clothes. We have a great divine purpose that lives beneath the surface. Cause nature grows within me. And if divinity. I never came here to be a robot and download my soul into your gold box. I wanna live in trees upon old rocks. You're trying to tax my time on a TikTok, trying to blur the line between genders. These dog broncos just don't offend us. We wanna learn to love all beings as one, enshrine the divine alignment of Yoni on Lingam. Sing them a song of sex and death. May every breath be cherished. Just inherit all your ancestral wisdom. Teach them to listen with their hearts beating together. Every waking moment guided and shrouded, surrounded by your existence is so profound. Why come here with the law on the paper, trying to play what we call Mother Nature? Hindsight exists in the infinite mind, so apply, yeah, the pyramid of time. It's time for hemp to redeem, overgrow the regime. It's time for hemp to redeem, overgrow the regime.
Down on my knees, I'm planting my seeds into what my garden.
Down on my knees, I'm planting my seeds, and I watch my garden grow. Mind-bending, brainwashing, ethnic cleansing. At the root of all gentrification is a cannabis defamation. If you could grow the hemp plant, you could harvest more than supermarkets. Medicine so genuine, guess which specimen this plutocracy target? Your endocannabinoid system regulates your homeostasis. Your government department of health, yeah, regulates your health with no basis. Hemp is a nitrogen fixer, cannabis is a natural elixir. A lobbyist's job is to get the rich richer, keep it illegal away from the people. Mass confusion, control the delusion, fun chaos and on the revolution. But now we're living in the age of the sage with the wisdom so ingrained it'll never fade away. So I'm down on my knees, I'm planting my seeds and I watch my garden grow. Never applied for a hemp license, so I guess we'll never know, because it's time for hemp to redeem, overgrow the regime. It's time for hemp to redeem, overgrow the regime. I'm planting my seeds and I watch my garden grow. Down on my knees, I'm planting my seeds and I watch my garden grow. So we'll overgrow. It's the pacifist way to evolve the show. They say the most anarchic cat we can do is grow our own food and share what we grew. So the man will land and take a stand. Repent the topsoil of his chemical brands. No dig method and a compost cycle. Forest floor biodiversified spiral. Mandala garden. Mandala garden. Mandala Garden, Mandala Garden, Mandala Garden, Mandala Garden, Mandala Garden, Mandala Garden. It's time for hemp to repeat. Overthrow the regime. It's time for hemp to repeat. Overthrow the regime. Beautiful beings of the known universe, go out there and grow hemp everywhere. It is your divine right. We want to see you dance with us right now. Are you ready to jump, 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 come on. Jump, 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 come on.
Making room for a new arrival. Set savings goals. Army, vegan salami. We can go pound for pound with a tsunami. Got weather control, it don't alarm me. Make it cold so you put on the cardi. Be who you're born to be, but the mainstream music put a spell on me. It took 10 years to untie these fears, double knotted to a rotten system of forgotten wisdom. A business designed to rinse us to bliss with the melodies and rhythms of our ancestors. Don't believe in an answer this. Why is there a drum beat in your chest? We are the beggars with the mind to congeal. We didn't steal it, nor mistake it for a meal. Our flock is melodic, our crop is of love. Our bellies are harmless below and above. We are the beggars, our meadow alarmless. The dance of our ancestors heightens the charm. The riddle of pattern has flattened the stone. Eternal by day, say the consent enslaving. Venting one's cage, allegory of the cave. His story of the age was paid upon the page, but the book rots its blood, clots the ego of man for
then there's your government trying to keep up with everyone who's bothering. Cause everyone is sovereign. Could be swinging from a poplar tree, but we still believe everyone can be free. We've been hopeless, heartstrong melody, a pop softest song for millennium. Still they're selling it, pyramid energy, gentrified, the feminist with the gentlest of remedies. Never known no economy, don't wanna we become taxonomy. Strange fruit plagues on market landscapes, animals caged away, rap breaks when the rage of the activist saves the victim. And the government wage a conviction, it's all on top of me. I can't think properly, they use to trade black people as property. Never been so ashamed to have Caucasian skin covering these veins. But in 4 generations the black man is white, the white man is black. Now where the fuck we at? We're trying to justify unnecessary suffering and brutality. What's your nationality? Human race. And if you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make that change. Just stop. What belongs freedom song. Freedom song. Freedom song. Your property, and we're asking you to philanthropically come together as one community. An opportunity for me and you to be here as equals among all peoples. Quash the echelons of posh. You can't buy freedom with these and dosh. So take your mind and soul off your payroll. We dig in dark cages for gold and diamonds. And what do we do when we find them? Put them in a deeper cave of confinement. Immoral contract out of alignment with the cycle of eco-paper. See people make you poison nature. Now wake up, we cannot bathe in toxins. For what the profits rise, Orwellian locks in a work of fiction, riddled with a prediction of our own demise, fed by greed and infliction. We need to sit together in circle, hold hands, share the language of love and see purple. Rise out of the wise mouth that speaks the truth for you, instead of the government lies out to trigger your instinct to fight back. Compose your bravery and pride, cause the right track is nice. Kill nor hide, still have time to change the way we eat, change the way we live, and to change the way we treat each other. Meet your mother and don't eat meat. If you love her, let her know. I wasn't born poor, I wasn't born black, I wasn't born broken, but I'm turning my back on a nation waging colonial values. Yeah, and when I die, I'll be cremated on field currency. Numbers on the screen. So how much money do you need? How does the royal family keep the power? Why are you working for £10 an hour? Who told you to liberate truth? Because you got to pick a pocket or two. Well, it's not funny, it's insane. They got money for days. Offshore accounts in the middle of the waves, and they want you to declare all the money that you made. Tax is a hole if you can't vote for where it pays. £6 billion on that PPE, the same initials as that first class honours degree. From the old boys, war toys, manor house, school in the Kingdom of England, Wellington's blue. Spend £6 billion on a funeral for the Queen while people are freezing to death in their dreams. You're reading the sun of the stars of the signs. Loyal subjects is the science of our time. It's the political philosophy of economics and plasticity, society of Wallace and Gromit. Nodding along and nodding along, up in the song, God save our gracious races. Please excuse the facetiousness of my egregious nature. I really don't want to encourage any hatred. Everybody is naked beneath their clothes. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes. But back to the point of centralized banks. That idea sounds quite nefarious, thanks. Digital it is the religion of act. And if you speak out, they're gonna freeze your accounts. They're gonna freeze your subscription. They're gonna freeze your voice with their end-to-end encryption. They're gonna freeze your accounts. They're gonna freeze your subscription. They're gonna freeze
shards to keep us quivering alone in the dark. But we're not alone when we make a home in the park. Use off-grid technology, embrace the philosophy. Meditate, medicate, and menstruate on cosmosophy. Yeah. So how much is this costing you? This inflation on my heart's balloon. Got there too soon, forgot there's monsoon in paradise. Might as well have stayed in that tower of ice. You call home, but you can't modify without planning permission from that all-seeing eye. Let's die to the village, grow some spinach, overthrow the faculties of poor paper village. Create